Hello students, welcome to the MongoDB lab videos. So today we are going to discuss how to use comparison operators in MongoDB. So first thing we'll drop this employee details document. Is written to, so we'll make it whether it's empty or not. It's empty. So we now freshly insert the new records into employee underscore details. So select here and click on play button. Click on yes. So totally 7 records have been inserted. So coming to comparison operators, we'll see which are the comparison operators. Comparison operators are equal to, greater than, greater than or equal to. So equal to matches the value that are equal to specified value. So greater than. So greater than value matches the data greater than specified value. So greater than or equal to. So matches the value data greater than or equal to specified value. So in it matches the any one of the values specified in an array. In matches any one of the values specified in an array. Next, less than matches the value that are less than the specified value. Next comes less than or equal to. This matches the values that are less than or equal to specified value. Any. This matches the all the values that are not equal to or specified value. Not in. Not in matches the none of the values specified in an array. Not in matches the none of the values specified in array. So coming to here, this is the first query we are using. We'll make it a when operator. Suppose we want to fetch the employee details of name more than one person, then we'll be using in operator. So in operator usually takes the square bracket since it's array. So we have to specify the employee name here. So we want to fetch the employee details of two persons, that is 2 or 3 persons. We have to include the name here inside the square bracket. So for example, we want to fetch the details of Rutviyar Chawla and Rajesh. Then select this one and click on this button. So clearly you can see except Rutviyar Chawla and Rajesh will be displayed. Click on yes. Rajesh, so you can see. So sorry, X only. Sorry about this. Little confusion. So hin operator means it will fetch the only details of Prithviraj Chawla and Rajesh. Only 2 records will be displayed. So select this and execute it. So we can clearly see Rajesh and Prithviraj Chawla. Only these 2 records will be displayed. So coming to here, here same query we are modified it. We are added here not. Not it will negate this thing. It will fetch the employee details of employees except Rutviyar Chawla and Rajesh. So except Rutviyar Chawla and Rajesh, other employee details will be displayed. Select it. So clearly you can see Kavana, Lakshmi, Akash and Shifa Ban. Finally, Muhammad Umar. Those records have been displayed. So nan, it negates nan, not in, nin, not in. It negates this one. So except Rutviyar Chawla and Rajesh, all the records will be also displayed. Click on play button. Click on yes. Clearly you can see Kavana, Lakshmi, Akash and Shifa and Muhammad Umar. Except Prithvi and Rajesh, all the records will be displayed. We'll execute one more query. Gender I will type it as equal. I remove this one. Type it as male. So ensure that correct number of braces, curly braces open, then equal number correct braces should be closed. So here clearly you can see I am fetching the employee details whose gender is equal to male. So I'll select it and click on yes. So clearly you can see Rajesh whose gender is male and Akash whose gender is male, Muhammad Omar whose gender is male will be displayed. Only employee details whose gender is male will be displayed. If you want, you can negate it. You have to make use of not operator. You open this not dollar not close this. What happens? So here equal to male it negates. So it will fetch the employee details whose gender is female. So I'll just select it. Click on yes. Something happened here. Any think something went wrong here. We'll check it the query later. I might have written the query somewhere here. I'll check it out. That is not here. So yes, it works. So not equal to. So it fetches the employee details of the employee details whose gender is female. In other words, it should be female other than male. That is female. So Click on this. So employee details whose gender is female. Scrolling down here, you can see Kavana whose gender is female, Lakshmi whose gender is female, Ritvi also gender is female, and Shifa also gender female. Now we'll come to comparison operators. Now here greater than. So this command age greater than 22. So I will select it here. Those employees whose age is greater than 22 will be displayed. Click on yes. So clearly you can see Kavana's age, it is 27. Scrolling down you can see the age. Lakshmi, whose age is 30, Rajesh 29, Akash 26, and Rithvi 22. So you can make changes here. If you want, you can make use of this. Change the number if you want. Make it 27. So employee details whose age is 27, greater than or equal to 27 will be displayed. So Kavana's age is 27 and Lakshmi's age is 30. And Rajesh age is 29. Three records are displayed. Suppose if you want to count how many employees are there whose age is greater than 27, simply append at the end count function and execute it. It should return 3. Number of employees whose age is greater than 27 is 3. So coming to next, we'll make use of less than or equal to. Get the employee details whose age is less than or equal to 25. Click on the execute button. Click on S. Clearly you can see age less than 22 will be displayed. It is Ritvi whose age is 22. Shifa's age is 21 and Mama Duma's age is 25. So if you want to count number of employees, count number of employees age whose age is less than 25, then you have to append at the last count function. Click on yes. Three employees whose age is less than 25. So coming to here we are making use of less than and greater than symbol. We are using a range. So you have to get the suppose there is a requirement you have to get the age of employee age whose age is less than 24 but greater than 27. Change it here. Make it as age 27 less than 27 but greater than 22. So this is the between range. So fetch the details of the employees whose range is between 22 and 27. So it's going to fetch the details of employees whose age is between 22 and 27. Click on yes. So so it is displayed. Akash whose age is displayed. Akash followed by Muhammad Umar. Suppose you want to count number of employees between the age 27 and 22. So simply append here count. So select this. It will give. So number of employees is 2. Number of employees whose age is between 22 and 27 is 2. So now we'll come to not in. So not in. It negates the in operator. Suppose I will enter yes 22 and I will enter this age as 29. What will happen? So it will fetch the employee details whose age is not 22 and not 29. It will fetch the details of the employees whose age should not be 22 and 29. Click here, execute button, play button, and click on yes. Clearly you can see Kavana 27, 30. Lakshmi's age is 30. Akash age is 27 and 21. Mohammad Umar's age is 25. If you want, you can add one more this one number here, 25. It will skip these details. It will skip the employee's person's age whose age is 22, 29, and 25. Can execute it. You can see the result has appeared here. So coming to here, there's one more query here using not. So this query fetches the employee details whose age is less than 29. But you have used here not. Since you have used not here, it's opposite. It's greater than 29. So it will list the employee's age whose age is greater than 29. Here, see, clearly you can see Lakshmi's age is 30, Rajesh's age is 29. Next, we will come to age greater than 29. So list the employee details whose age is greater than or equal to 29. Click on this button. Yes, clearly you can see Lakshmi whose age is 30 and Rajesh age is 29. So suppose you're using not operator here and less than operator. So you're fetching the age less than 29. Since you're using not, it becomes negation, greater than it becomes. So it will fetch the employee details greater than 29. Yes, Lakshmi and Rajesh. So this age should not equal to 25. This age clearly it mentions age should not be equal to 25. Like it? Yes. Person's employee's age is not 20, whose age is not 25 will be displayed. You can see the result here. Close this. So coming to salary part here. So here I'm fetching the salary details. Salaries was greater than salary should be greater than or equal to 70,000. Those employees whose salary is greater than or equal to 70,000 will be displayed. Click on yes. So clearly you can see salary. Ritvi has got 85. Shifa has got 95,000. Muhammad Umar has got 75,000. So here I am using in between range. So the range is salary should be greater than 70,000 but less than 90,000. Between the range between 70,000. Fetch these salary details whose range is between 70,000 and 90,000. Click on play button. You can see 3, 85,000, Muhammad Umar 75,000. Salary will be displayed. So suppose if you want to count number of employees whose salary is you want to get the count whose salary is between the range 70,000 and 90,000. Simply you have to append count function here. So it will return us to two. So coming to here, this I already discussed here. Not in. It will not in. It will negate 21, 22, 25. It will return the employee's age, whose age should not be 21, 22, and 25. Age should not be 21, 22, and 25. Execute it. Click on yes. Clearly you can see. You can check the age if you want. Follow this. So our last query. So here we are making use in operator. So suppose you want to fetch the details of employees whose age is 22 and 25. You need to use in operator for that. And then you want only certain fields to be displayed, not all the fields. Then you have to make use of this ID colon 0. It means ID will not be displayed. One means the name will be displayed, city will be displayed, department will be displayed, and gender will be displayed. Rest of the fields will be skipped. In other words, name colon 1 means it will be displayed. If you don't want the other fields to appear, omit it. So ID you should compulsory give as 0 if you don't want to be displayed. If you want ID to be displayed, you should give as 1. So select this and click on play button. Click on yes. So results appear. You can see here. ID does not appear. Only name, city, department, and gender. So close this. If you want ID to be appear, make it as ID will appear. Click on yes. Clearly you can see ID has appeared. So guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you have liked the video. If you like the video, please subscribe. And this is the I'll be coming with another topic on MongoDB lab. So thank you for listening.